हरि ओम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. Today we are beginning the 4th chapter. Shri Bhagavanuvacha imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave bravit. In the last 2 chapters, Krishna had spoken on Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga as a path of being eligible for Jnana Yoga and then attaining moksha. Both by instructing both these yogas, the Pravritti Marga and Nivritti Marga, Krishna feels he has actually taught to us the essence of the Vedas. And here he actually says from where this knowledge has come, how old and eternal this knowledge has been. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan aham avyayam. Arjuna, this knowledge which I have told you now, I first instructed this to Surya, the sun, and then the sun god, he instructed this to Manu, and Manu instructed this to his son Ikshvaku. I actually instructed this in order to give strength to the Kshatriyas, the rulers. The Kshatriya kings, if they are going to follow this Karma Yoga, then if they are going to do all actions without getting attached to the results and everything as an offering to God, without the feeling that I am the doer, giving up all desires, then they will be able to protect the spiritual class. That is, if Kshatram, if the ruling power is good, then Brahman is automatically protected. The Brahmins or the spiritual class, the Vedas, the Vedic life according to Vedas, that is automatically protected. They will get the strength to protect that. And by protecting the spiritual class and the ruling class, the world itself can be protected. The world itself will actually be good. It will be very prosperous if these two classes are protected. And I felt, and in order that the kings, the Kshatriyas, may gain strength, the mental strength and the inner strength, I instructed them this yoga. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshyo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashta parantapa. So, know that this knowledge has come through generations, right from sun, during the beginning of creation, right from that time, it has been passed on through generations. Rajarshayaha, they were both kings and also rishis. Such were the greatness of our kings, the kings who ruled India. They were all kings, but at heart they were sages. Such Rajarshis, they imparted this knowledge to the next generations. But after a period of time, Kalena Mahata, after a very long period of time, at one stage, this knowledge got lost. There were some weak kings who were not able to control their senses, and they were not able to follow this Karma Yoga or Jnana Yoga, and ultimately this knowledge got lost. Next shloka. Sayevayam maya tedya yoga proktah puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. And that yoga which got lost, that knowledge only, now I am instructing you. It is a very great secret. Rahasyam hetad uttamam. It is actually the best, but it is also a great secret. I will not tell this to anyone. I am telling you only because you are my devotee. You are my friend. That's why I am telling you this. Jnanam, wisdom, is actually, it cannot be imparted to anyone. So know that I am giving you something special because you are special to me. Arjuna uvacha aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvataha kathametad vijaniyam tvamadau proktavaniti. Now Arjuna asks, Krishna, you are born as Vasudeva and Devaki's son. You are here with me now. And you say, I imparted this knowledge to the sun god during the beginning of creation. How is that possible? asks Arjuna to Krishna. Then Krishna says, Shri Bhagavan Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapa. Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava Arjuna. Arjuna, many births I have also taken before this. And you have also taken many births before this. But Tanyaham Veda Sarvani. I know all that. What all incarnations I took before coming down as Krishna. And what all I am going to do. Like that, what all births you had before being born as Arjuna. Everything I know. But you don't know anything about it. You don't know what were your previous births, and you don't know what is going to happen also. Because of ignorance, he calls Arjuna Parantapa. One who actually harasses the Param. Each one is the Brahma Swarupa, but not being aware that I am the Brahman. We think that we are this body. And with that illusion that I am this body, I am this body, I am this body, we actually totally mask the Brahman. The Brahman is not able to shine at all. We totally harass it. And at one stage, we have totally forgotten itself that we are the Brahma Swarupam. If someone says, you are God, or if someone says, I am God, we think, oh, how arrogant he is. He says, I am God. But that's the truth. Each one of us is God. So, we are actually torturing that Brahman inside. Parantapa. Aham Veda, but I know everything. Why? Because Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swabhavatvat Anavarana Jnana Shaktiriti. Because I am the eternal knowledge, so pure, free, and I am not covered by, my wisdom is not covered by any ignorance. I am actually wise. I am that Brahman. I am in that state. So I remember everything, says Krishna. And he is going to continue with how he is an avatar and all that. We will see that tomorrow. We'll stop with this for today. And actually, in yesterday's video, the last few minutes had got cut and they have been included now. So those who haven't heard that, you may hear it. Now it has been included in the video. Hari Om.